On the business side of things, kasama po natin ngayon si Sir Neil from Tatters Entertainment Snacks. Ito yung lagi natin... Taters. Thank you for your correcting my pronunciation. Taters Entertainment Snacks. Kasi ang una ko nga sinabi, Tatters eh. Okay, Neil, bati ka muna sa mga followers.
Hello.
Okay, Sir Neil, ano ba itong Taters na Entertainment Snacks? And of course, nandito kayo to support itong Donny Geisler Taekwondo Cup. And ano yung mga choices na maaari nyo pagpipilian dito sa inyong businesses?
Okay, basically si Taters, we started in the cinema in 1994. Peanut actually yung first product we did. But now we've evolved into different products like popcorn. You can see we also have chips, rice. We also have sandwiches na tofu chips. Done here like protein for the athletes. So we got again before we were in the cinema, but now we are venturing and evolving and expanding as well. Not just in the cinema, but rather in different venues, like for example here or outside the cinema, and even sa mga communities, amusement parks, like umaalis na rin kami beyond the cinema.
Kadalasan kasi pag ganito mga snacks, talaga may enjoy talaga pag manood kayo ng mga sine o di kaya iba pa mga activities. Pero right now, hindi lang sa sinihan, ine-expand itong Taters, but also dun sa mga pop-up stalls sa iba mga lugar. At mukhang marami ang mag-iengganyo na magkaroon sila ng ganitong setup sa mga iba't ibang events tulad dito na maaari nyong i-enjoy when it comes sa pag-cater niya ng mga snacks sa atin.
Yeah. So yeah, again as mentioned, we are going beyond the cinema na. So yun nga, hindi na kami basta sinihan, pwede hindi kami living at home habang nag-binge watch tayo ng favorite series nyo or favorite movies nyo. And here, sa mga sports events, kumbaga marami kaming pwedeng pagsalihan ng mga events, even mga concerts. If ever may mga kailangan kayo, feel free to contact me.
Okay, bakit mahalaga po ang partnership ninyo? This is the first time na mag-sponsor ng Donny Geisler Taekwondo event dito sa Taters. Bakit mahalaga at beneficial itong partnership ninyo between the both parties?
Okay, just in correction, I think this is the second time that we've...
Second time. So the first time was the last...
I think just this year, it was held in CSK. Though we also sponsored it. The point of it, basically, of course, again, we want to expand our network. We want to expand our customers. Sabi nga nila, kilala kami sa sinihan lang. But now, again, we're expanding our customers to not just the moviegoers, but concert goers.
Okay, mga sports events. Lalo na sa amin, sa Sports Corner, we are catering towards the sports and of course, helping also our businesses na rin na may showcase at may pupuwat nila yung mga products natin, sir.
Not just the taekwondo, all kinds of sports, if ever may mga, let's say, mga basketball, volleyball, or whatever sport, especially taekwondo for you.
Pero paano kayo magka-contact kayo for interest sa mga followers natin sa Sports Corner na may upcoming event kayo, baka pwede daliin na rin yung Taters doon sa inyong lugar.
Just follow our page at ilovefigures.tv. So yun, you can just contact us anytime.
Sa ngayon po, ilan na ba yung branches na yun ng Taters? Aside nga doon sa mga sinihan na meron yung ating
More or less, roughly sa 100.
Oo, at mukhang every mall na napupuntahan ay andyan yung Taters para...
Yeah, we're in the SM Mall sa Yalomos.
Okay, so lastly, imbitahan nyo po ang ating mga followers to try out itong Taters, lalo na yung mga iba't ibang products. Baka pwede natin bagitin ulit yung mga products, yung burgers, yung french fries, yung chicken skin nachos at iba pa. And of course, we want to thank all those na tumangkilik nga dito sa Taters. Please go ahead.
Again, I'm Neil Angel. I'm the Junior Marketing Manager of Taters. I'm inviting everyone to please come and visit our stores. As mentioned, now we have so much to offer from popcorn, tortilla chips, tofu chips, or naturals. burgers like chicken sandwich, fish fillet. We also have different hot dogs like turkey hot dogs, the chicken turkey very healthy. And beef hot dogs. We also have variety of beverages like lemonade, sodas, and even your very own ice.
Alright, Sir Neil, kukontak ulit ka at i-refer kita doon sa ating mga ibang mga kasama para i-promote natin sa mga sports programs, online sports programs natin itong theater. So thank you so much and have a blessed day.